Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the Bissell Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum Cleaner with Crevice tool. Available in lime, as seen here, or black, blue, or purple. It's got 41,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. It's ultra lightweight and compact, easy to use and easy to store. It easily converts from stick vacuum to hand vacuum. It's got a removable floor nozzle, so you can remove for use as a hand vacuum, or keep it on the floor, or stair cleaning. It's great for hard floors and effective on carpets, area rugs, stairs, upholstery, and more. Includes crevice tool and a 15-foot power cord. It's 44 inches tall, but only weighs 2.6 pounds. And now let's check out a review from Ashley, a verified purchaser who bought this as a gift for her 2-year-old, and now they both use it. This vacuum is small, lightweight, but also mighty. I purchased it for my son's 2nd birthday because he's always trying to vacuum with my larger vacuum, and I don't want him to break it, and he struggles with it because it's pretty heavy for a 2-year-old. Believe it or not, he vacuums up a lot while he's quote-unquote playing with it. I simply don't attach the longer handle while he uses it because it's perfect length for him without it. What a great idea for this vacuum. We're going to check out the Eureka Power Speed Bagless Upright Vacuum Pet Turbo, seen here in black. It's got 7,300 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Nice. You don't have to have pets to appreciate this vacuum, but if you're looking for something a little different, check out Eureka's other models as well. They make a heck of a vacuum. It's lightweight and portable. Weighing in at 10 pounds, this upright vacuum is easy to use and delivers a powerful, deep clean. With 5 height adjustment settings, it's also versatile and can easily adapt between hard floor and deep carpet. Has an extra large dust cup, 2.6 liters. And again, it's great for pet owners. Includes a pet turbo tool, a crevice tool, dusting brush, an upholstery tool, and all of it can be stored right on board for easy access. This model also has 0 maintenance costs. It's got washable filters and a bagless design, so it's very easy to maintain. It has a 12.6 inch wide floor nozzle. It also has intuitive assembly. It comes in 2 pieces, the body and the handle. So just insert the handle and secure the hose and you're ready to go. Now let's check out a helpful review from Chubby Kitten called Best Vacuum for Pets. This vacuum is amazing. I knew my old vacuum wasn't doing a great job anymore. Apparently I was wasting time pushing it around. The picture is from vacuuming my living room only. Look at all that hair. You can actually feel the suction power while using it. I am very impressed. Nice, well there you go. Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out the Dyson V7 Motorhead Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, seen here in Fuchsia. It's got over 6,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. It stands at 49 inches tall, is cord-free and hassle-free, has powerful suction, up to 30 minutes runtime when using a non-motorized tool. Also has a detachable battery. It's lightweight and versatile for easy home cleaning, has an instant release trigger, which means battery power is only used while it's cleaning. Takes about 3.5 hours for a full charge. Has nice stiff nylon bristles to really get into that carpet and capture deep down dirt. And it sports hygienic bin emptying, so no need to touch the dirt. It also quickly transforms to a handheld vacuum to clean all around your home and car. And don't forget, Dyson makes a lot of other interesting vacuums as well, so if this one doesn't suit your needs, don't forget to check out the other ones. Now let's check out a helpful review from Yoda Flame called You Will Feel Like a Cleaning Ninja. This thing is so convenient. My apartment is much cleaner now because I can just grab this thing and fly over my floors, rather than hauling out the vacuum cleaner and having to plug it in 3 different places because the cord doesn't reach. The swivel is just genius, and the suction is really good. Awesome. So check out this Dyson V7 Motorhead cordless vacuum today. You're gonna love it.